Begin with the name of Allah, the most merciful. My dear and respected listeners, this is part 2. And in this part we will talk about Number 1, preparation and intention, and Number 2, entering the state of Ihram. Let's start. Preparation and intention. Friends, before you arrive at Mecca to begin Hajj, it's important to make your intention, means niyat, within your heart. The intention must be to perform the Hajj for the sake of Allah alone, with a desire for good in the hereafter. It should not be done with the intention of being seen by others or for worldly gain. Number 2. Entering the state of Ihram. Friends, next, you'll enter into the state of Ihram, ritual purity. For men, this means wearing the designated white cloth with one piece wrapped around your shoulder and one around your waist. Ladies may wear any clothing of their choice but should ensure they observe the rules of hijab. Face coverings, however, are not permitted. Fully covering shoes are also not permitted. Footwear must be in the form of sandals for both women and men. Ihram describes the spiritual state you enter once you have made the intention to go to Hajj. Friends, when over 2.5 million pilgrims descend into Mecca, there should not be any outward distinction between them. Yes, everyone stands equal before Allah. One's status, race, culture, and wealth are irrelevant. The rules around the clothing of Ihram are extremely simple, yet strict, and must be adhered to. Respected listeners, throughout these holy days and whilst in the state of Ihram, we should also be particularly mindful of our behavior and words. We should avoid smoking, engaging in sexual relations, swearing, shaving our hair, and cutting our nails. We must also not use perfume or scented soaps. Once you arrive at the holy Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, with these preparations in mind, you're ready to start the biggest spiritual journey of your life. My respected listeners, carry spare Ihram clothing if you can. As for sandals, we recommend investing in a decent pair of trekking sandals. They tend to be the most comfortable and practical, given that you will be walking long distances on tarmac as well as gravel. Medicine you use. If you are a patient, keep your medicine. Besides that, keep fever medicine, cold medicine, cough medicine, headache medicine, painkiller with you. Carry extra photocopies of documents. Try and wear in your sandals before you depart for Saudi so that you don't break out in blisters or face discomfort once you're there. Upon arrival in Mecca, you must first perform your umrah, which means you will do your tawaf and sa'i as outlined in the next steps.